Hey, want to turn everyday tasks into done-in-seconds moments? This is your channel. We explore the smartest AI tools online and show you how to use them like a pro. Fast, simple, and stress-free.
Imagine typing a simple prompt and watching it turn into a cinematic video in seconds. No camera, no actors, no editing timeline. Today, I'm testing a tool that claims to generate full videos using AI, and honestly, some of the results look surprisingly realistic. Let's check out Kling AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into AI tools that can create images, videos, and animations with just a prompt, you're going to want to see this. Today, we're taking a look at Kling AI, an all-in-one creative platform that focuses heavily on AI video generation. I'll walk you through what it does, how the interface works, and what kind of results you can expect. So, the core idea behind Kling AI is pretty simple. You describe a scene, and the AI generates a video for you. Inside the platform, you can see several creative tools like image generation, video generation, motion control, avatar tools, and something called Kling Canvas. Everything is organized in one dashboard. So instead of jumping between different apps, you can create different types of AI content in the same place. The main highlight, though, is definitely the video generation model, currently labeled Video 3.0. Traditionally, creating videos requires a lot of steps. You need footage, editing software, transitions, effects, sometimes even actors or locations. But with tools like Kling AI, the workflow changes completely. Instead of building a video piece by piece, you start with a prompt or idea, and the AI handles the visual generation. It's essentially trying to turn the process of video creation into something closer to idea to video. Let's take a look at how it actually works. When you open the video generation section, you'll see an option to add start and end frames. This allows you to guide the AI on how a scene begins and how it finishes. There's also a multi-shot mode, which means the AI can generate sequences instead of just a single static scene. Below that, you'll find a few settings like video resolution, starting at 720p, clip duration, around 5 seconds, aspect ratio options like 16:9. Another interesting option here is native audio, which suggests the system can generate or synchronize audio along with the visuals. And the interface itself is pretty clean. You type your prompt, adjust a few settings, hit generate, and the system starts creating your video. On the Explore page, you can also see examples other users have created. Things like cinematic scenes, animated characters, stylized environments, and even short storytelling clips. It's actually pretty cool to scroll through because it gives you ideas of what the model is capable of. Now let's talk about pricing because this is where things get interesting. There's actually a free basic plan which lets you explore the platform and try some features. After that, the paid tiers start with Standard, around $6.99 per month. Pro, about $25.99 per month. Premier, about $64.99 per month. And an Ultra plan, around $127.99 per month. Each tier mainly increases the number of monthly credits which are used for generating videos and images. Higher plans also unlock things like higher generation limits, faster processing, higher resolution outputs like 1080p video generation, image upscaling, and extended video generation capabilities. So depending on how much content you want to create, you can scale up pretty easily. What I like about Kling AI is that it feels less like a single tool and more like a creative AI studio. Everything from generating images to creating animated scenes is integrated into one platform. And just browsing through the community creations already shows how diverse the outputs can be. Of course, like most AI video tools right now, results can vary depending on the prompt. But when it works well, the visuals can look surprisingly cinematic. So that's a quick look at Kling AI and what it can do. If you want to experiment with AI video generation, this platform definitely looks like an interesting one to try. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and let me know in the comments, what kind of AI video would you try generating first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.